I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish balls. Making homemade fish balls is a rewarding culinary experience, offering a fresh and bouncy texture far superior to store-bought versions. We will start by gathering our key ingredients. About 1 pound of fresh white fish, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/4 cup of ice water. Having all your ingredients chilled is crucial for achieving that perfect bouncy consistency. Now let's prepare our fish paste, the heart of our fish balls. First, ensure your fish is completely deboned and skinned, then cut it into small 1-inch pieces. Place the fish and salt into a food processor and pulse until it forms a coarse mixture. Next, slowly incorporate the cornstarch, white pepper, and ice water. Continue processing for about 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture transforms into a very smooth, sticky, and elastic paste. With our paste ready, it's time to form and cook the fish balls. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby. Dipping your hands in it will prevent the sticky paste from adhering. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of the fish paste and gently roll it into a smooth, round ball. Carefully drop each ball into a pot of simmering water, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. Cook them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, or until they float to the surface and feel firm to the touch. Your delicious homemade fish balls are now ready to be enjoyed. They are absolutely wonderful served immediately in a clear, hot broth, perhaps with some fresh greens and noodles. You can also add them to stir-fries, or use them as a delightful topping for various Asian dishes. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze them for up to 3 months for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.